Hi kids, I'm going to try this solve and share on the Screencast-O-Matic today. Let's see, this screen should look like page 487 in your books. So let's read it. Rick and Nikki own remote control cars. They use a stopwatch to record the speeds of each car. Rick's car travels 150 feet every 30 seconds. That's right here. Nikki's car travels 80 feet in 20 seconds. Whose car is faster? Solve this problem any way you choose. So we're trying to compare two fractions, or two ratios basically. This rate is 150 feet for 30 seconds. Whoa, look at, sorry, I look like I'm writing like a 3-year-old. And this is 80 feet in every 20 seconds. So I need to figure out whose car goes faster. One of the easiest ways for me to figure that out is to figure out the unit rate. So you need to basically either find a common denominator or find the unit rate. If it goes 150 feet in 30 seconds, how many feet will it travel in 1 second? And how many feet would this travel in 1 second? So basically what I need to do, I'm sorry, this is super messy. Let me delete this. Let's see, let's erase that. Okay. Okay, erase that. Okay, thanks for bearing with me, guys. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I need to figure out, there's 150 and 30. I wanna figure out how many in 1. So I'm gonna divide each, the denominator and the numerator, I'm going to divide by 30. So then I'm going to do 150 divided by 30. Well, I know 15 divided by 3 is 5. So it's going to travel 5 feet for every 1 second. Does that make sense? 5 times, I'm going to work backwards. 5 times 30 is 150. Yep. 1 times 30 is 3. Okay, so it goes 5 feet for every 1 second. So let's see. I'm going to put that here. 5 for 1. Now I'm going to try to find the speed of Nikki's car. If it's 80 in 20 seconds, how many is it going to be in 1? So I'm trying to find an equivalent fraction, or the unit rate. So I'm going to divide 20 by 20 to get 1. And then what I do to the top, I do to the bottom. I need to do 80 divided by 20, and I'm going to get 4. So Nikki's car goes 4 feet, whoopsies, for 1 second. Whoopsies. Trying to erase kids. Okay. For 1 second. So I can tell that Rick's car is going to go slightly faster because it goes 5 feet per 1 second, and Nikki's only goes 4 feet per 1 second. You see how we use the unit rate of seconds, how many in 1 second, to figure out which car goes faster.